Finally got a new phone, KXD Classic Core A07. It is affordable with amazing appearance. It has 4,500 mAh battery capacity, and I use it for a whole day before it gets low back. This is perfect for those who looking for an extra phone or budget-friendly phone. I am so love this phone. I got mine in light green. The simple design makes the phone very easy to use. Look at the glitters, it is really beautiful and elegant. Certainly worth the cost. I have listed all the package content. Please kindly check.